first time on a Disneyland monorail, so it'll be interesting to see what the differences are. Other than the fact they look a lot shorter.
The seating's different.
Yeah. No stand-up handrails
No.
like Disney World. The cars look a little bit shorter inside.
I was gonna see if there's any window.
There will be room in the back. Hold up here though until he's going to put this way.
Okay.
I can't talk into it.
Thank you.
Come on, kids, out of the way. Out of the way.
Very different. Oh
Oh
my gosh, it's hot in here.
Well, the reason I wanted to pick this one so they can see Matt and I
It's
got to be
toasty
in the
in
front.
here.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought you would be able to, it'd be. Yeah, it's so different in here. I haven't been in it since 2019, so.
I haven't been in it since today.
Yeah. Your first ride. This is
Yes.
Monorail.
Did I get a first mono ride button?
Oh, I thought they were getting on the monorail. Wow, that's
How much water after the lights door?
Gush dush. Makes noises.
that guy was funny. I'm not gonna say anything about your hat.
To those of you who have just joined us, welcome aboard the Disneyland
That's weird.
Monorail. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your
Oh, they should
hands,
go over the road
arms,
like we
feet,
do.
and legs
That's
inside the
true.
cabin. Watch your children, and no smoking, please.
Bienvenidos a bordo.
Didn't say anything
Para
else
su
but
seguridad,
other
permanezca
versions.
sentado y
Why
mantenga
does
las
it tilt?
manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los
That's
niños.
weird.
Por favor, se ruega no fumar. Gracias.
It's like a banked track. It's
We're
so
now
odd.
bound to our final stop, the Tomorrowland Monorail Station. Along the way, you can get a bird's eye look at the downtown Disney District, Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, and Disney California Adventure. To the left of the monorail is the main entrance of Disneyland, the happiest place on earth. Disneyland is truly an American original. Since its opening in 1955, it has hosted hundreds of millions of guests from around the world, including presidents, kings, and celebrities. It is the original Disney theme park, created and enjoyed by Walt Disney himself.
Original.
To the right is our transportation plaza, where you'll find taxis, hotel shuttles, and public transit stops.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah, pretty much.
We are about to enter Disneyland. Some of the clearances are pretty tight up ahead,
That's a cool.
so be sure to remain
Waterfront
seated,
over there.
keeping
Yeah.
your hands and arms inside the cabin.
Oh, that's right. Edie's Cafe is really good. They eat at it. I've been in there years. It's kind of, I think, French cuisine, kind of.
Hojo's.
Down the trees.
So do we have to get off here,
This
or
is Tomorrowland, a land inspired
I thought we
by
went
science,
to
fact, and
California
fantasy.
Adventure.
I think when you
Below
want,
us
if you
is
don't
the
get off,
Submarine
it's
Lagoon,
going to go
where
back
you
that
can
way.
dive into a fantastic
that-
underwater
Oh.
adventure aboard the Finding Nemo submarine voyage. Across the way are the icy peaks of Matterhorn Mountain, home of the world's most famous bobsled run. And beneath us is the Autopia, where drivers of all ages can travel the road to tomorrow. As we cruise over Tomorrowland, our pilot would like to share a few program reminders.
All right, we're cruising now. Good afternoon. Welcome aboard Monorail Red. This is your Captain Doug. Well, tonight we have our Paint the Night. That is our parade. That'll be at 8:30 this evening. We also have two showings of Fantastic at the Rivers of America at 9 and 10:30. And at 9:30, High in the Skies at Disneyland, Wondrous Journey is our fireworks spectacular. Monorail does not operate during the fireworks. We're going to shut down at 8:30. We'll resume operations after they're over. That's right around 10 p.m. Disneyland will remain open until 11 p.m. this evening. That's all attractions, including the monorail. If you're heading back to downtown Disney closing, make sure you're back no later than 11, so we can get you on that last monorail of the night. And speaking of monorails, you're traveling aboard Monorail Red on a one-way trip to Tomorrowland. Enjoy the rest of your flight. Have a terrific time here at Disneyland.
To the right of the monorail, you just might spot the sparkling gold spires of one of Disney's most beloved attractions. It's a small world. And now we're riding alongside the happiest kingdom of them all, Fantasyland, home to Pinocchio, Snow White, Peter Pan, and other storybook characters.
Maybe we do. Go right. I haven't been on it in a long time, so I can't say where we.
I've never been on that.
We're now approaching the Tomorrowland monorail station, our final destination. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then collect your belongings, watch your head, and step carefully from the train. On behalf of all of our crew, thanks for traveling with us. And we hope you'll have a happy and memorable visit here at Disneyland. This is the Tomorrowland monorail station.
All right, once again, remain seated. Wait until your doors open. Once they open, lower your head, watch your step, exit away from the middle of the monorail. If you're traveling with a stroller, please keep your stroller folded until you get to the end of the station. Thank you.
So yeah, if we wanted to keep going and go back out, we would be going to California.
These are definitely a lot shorter inside than the Disney World monorails. So, yeah, that was our tour on the Disneyland monorail. Apparently you can still sit in the front of these. You can't at Walt Disney World after the accident. Someone actually got, a young monorail pilot got killed at Disney World at the Ticket and Transportation Center. So you can't sit up front anymore. We have some old monorail pilot licenses at home. But apparently you can still sit up front in the ones here. So
Yeah, I did that once. I have
Nemo
a video.
submarine. We all live in Nemo submarine.
It was 20, what was the